had this Camaro for 100,000 miles and it's been fantastic so far, so it'll be really fun to send it today and see what plans are going to be for the next 100,000 miles. I have no regrets about getting this car, very happy with it, had it since 2019, been driving it like this the whole time and it's been dead reliable. With all that in mind, this is going to be just a great, great day. So thanks so much for hanging out for it, and let's get going.
Remember that in rallycross, a competition day means that it's accumulation of your 6 competition run times. It's not your one fastest run time. So make sure every single one of your first 6 runs counts. It's going to add all together. If you have one bad run, it still counts. So it's not, you know, just gunning for your one best time. Keep that in mind.
Alright, we're heading into grid. Let's go get this. That was a bit of a fast forward there, but we are gonna be heading in, getting ready to drive this course. Having walked it, having gone around it a few times, it looks like a really fun layout. There's gonna be a lot of technical stuff to manage carefully. I think corner entry is gonna be huge here, so just when I'm getting into that final acute hairpin to the left, really nailing that will set me up for a great final stretch. This is just a really fun layout today. So yeah, this is going to be really good. Happy birthday already. This is just always fun, not just for the cars, but everybody here is always super cool. I'm learning to wrap it. Oh, okay. So like I've been teaching myself in my garage. I thought let's do small sections just so that it, like I'll make small mistakes. Dude, yeah, it's fun. Once you get a little skill with it and it gets easier to do, it's very satisfying. But yeah, it's been fun.
I was like, wait, I remember being like.
Yeah, it's eventually going to be a two-tone kind of space shuttle vibes. Cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm stoked for it.
Yeah, because I'm trying to think like a delivery to come up with. So I'm like,
yeah. I mean, look up vintage rally cars and just look at like what your favorite vibes are to see screaming past and just go for that. Like what's going to look good in motion.
Exactly.
Yeah, awesome.
Dude, it looks sick, man.
Appreciate it.
Good luck.
Thank you, you too. So one fun fact about the Camaro that I didn't know is that it comes with a fuse puller in the stock fuse box. This little fuse for the ABS is really hard to extract with just your fingers, but with this thing, it's super easy. Right there. So now we're running with no abs, not able to do sit-ups, but that will help us in the corners. That switches off stability control and stuff like that, and just all, it makes the car very alive, no electronic nannies, because the ABS controller, which is somewhere in here, that's what runs the whole thing. So no stability control, no traction control, it's all off with this out. Don't do this when you're on like the street. Put this back in after the event because it's good for pavement. It's not helpful out here, so we have removed it. Yeah.
All right, everybody, we are going hot. Seats, get your butts in your seats.
Oh, that's a fun course, dude.
Is it faster out in the middle?
Yeah, it's faster out in the middle.
Nice.
That is fun. Lap 1. The giggles are real. This is so much fun. Only one cone, just one, on a 60.77. We're gonna see what the fast times are today. I think mod all-wheel drive WRX got something closer to like 49, so only 10 seconds off a much faster class, so I don't really know much about where that places me in class, but like so much fun, and only one cone means the whole intention to drive this cleanly is paying off. That was lap 2, 58.602, no cones. Dude. That's lap 5, 55.3, still no cones, feeling great. I look like a Microsoft Windows XP background here.
San Diego SCCA. Wallace. Unicorn horn doesn't block your feet. That was the first X run.
There you go.
Oh, wow, nice. That was quicker. So that was awesome. Those last couple of fun runs, because you can either get 6 competition runs or 6 plus 2 fun runs at the end, which I obviously got the 2 fun runs at the end. During those, I thought, okay, I'm gonna just go full send and be intending to slide the car and intending to just go full throttle as much as possible. And I shaved off 2 seconds by the end of those 2 laps from my best competition time, which tells me I'm leaving a lot of time on the table. And just getting the hang of this car has been really helpful over the past 2 days. Between practicing yesterday and just consistently improving today, it's been fantastic. Definitely a happy birthday to this car. Definitely great signs for the next 100,000 miles. We're going to be doing a lot of road trips coming up and basically competing the full season for hopefully both San Diego and other local areas as well. It's just going to be a great time. Keep improving, continuing with the driver mod. Yeah, fantastic work, fantastic car. Very happy with this thing.